Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your new email is ready to receive a verification link. This prevents delays. Once done, log into Facebook on a secure device and confirm two-factor authentication is active to protect changes. Next, navigate immediately to Settings and Privacy, then Settings, and choose Personal Info followed by Contact Info. This gets you straight into the Contact Management section, where you can add or edit addresses without wandering through unrelated menus. Now add the new email by selecting Add Another Email or Mobile Number. Type the address exactly and save. Facebook will send a verification message. Check the inbox right away and click the confirmation link. If you don't see it, make sure to inspect spam or promotions, then hit resend and wait a few minutes because delivery can be delayed. Make sure the confirmation completes before moving on, because Facebook won't allow switching primary contact without that verified status. Once the new email is verified, return to Contact Info and choose Make Primary for that address so Facebook uses it for login and notifications. After making it primary, decide whether to remove the old email or keep it as a recovery option and save your changes. Finally, log out and log back in using the new primary email to confirm everything works. If anything goes wrong, clear your browser cache, try a different browser or device, or resend verification and repeat the steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.